I'm Amaryllis. Today I will share a few easy ideas to make heart crafts. Let's make a paper heart garland. You will need small paper doilies. You will need a string and tape. Take the heart paper doilies and arrange them with a color pattern you like. Cut a piece of string and you just have to tape the string on the back of the heart. As you can see, it's a very easy and quick decoration ideas. You can make a long garland in only a few minutes. Take 2 cardstock sheets and fold them in the center. The cardstock you will use inside the card, you have to trim it a little. Take a heart paper doily, fold it in the center. Then you place the heart here. Try to have it at the center of the cardstock. And then you take the largest part here, you know where the heart is the larger, and you make 2 marks like that. Then you want to trace 2 lines at 1 centimeter distance. And you will cut along these lines. Then open the card, take the heart and apply glue here on the strip you just cut, and you place the heart on it and try to align the central folds. And now fold the heart on one side and the card on the other side. And then you open it and you have a nice puppet heart. Now to finish the card, you want to glue the red cardstock outside. So slide the pink one in, check that it fits, and just put glue on each side to hold it in place. And same on the other side. And to finish, you can glue another heart in front of the card. For the next craft, you will need skewers, wooden beads, and heart paper doilies. Take a skewer, add a little glue, and fix a bead here. Then you will need 4 little doilies. Take the first one and punch it in the center. Apply some glue next to the bead and wrinkle the paper around the bead. Take a second heart dolly, and this time you punch it next to the tip of the heart. And again, you add a little glue here. Take again the paper dolly, punch it, and this time you will place it next to the first one that you can see. It will make the flower petals. Add some glue around and wrinkle it. Do the same with the last dolly. And you can see you can place it here. You have the two first, the second and the third here, and the last one on the side to complete the flower. And this is how you make cute flowers in 2 minutes. And of course, you can create a whole bouquet. An idea to make a heart pop-up card. So take a cardstock sheet, fold it in half. Then you take the paper heart dolly, fold them in the center. So for the first part you need 3 doilies, and I will glue the edges together, so I will apply glue here. This is the tricky part because you only want to have glue on the edge and not over all the paper dolly layers, so be careful. I will glue a white paper dolly on top, press, then I will open it so to ensure that I only have these 2 layers glued together, and I will glue another paper dolly on the other side, again just here along the edge, and I will press and I will open it so to be sure that I only have the 2 layers glued together. So this is the first part. Let the paper and the glue dry. I will do a second piece of 3 hearts with other colors. So I will use 2 red, 1 white. Once the glue is dry, you can keep putting your card together. So fold the heart and place them like that, and this one like that. Apply some glue again. Try to apply glue only on the edge. Glue like that. Do not pass the center. Then again apply glue along the edges of the paper doilies. Close the paper and open the card. You see. Next easy idea is to customize a cord light and make it a little bit more romantic. So you take 2 heart paper doilies. Take the first one here and you tape it, and you want the light to be here in the center of the heart. And then you place a second one on top, and you will just apply glue here in the center of the paper. Try not to glue the lamp. And you place the second dolly on top, and you press. So both dollies will stay in place, and it will make a nice cord light. And you repeat for the other lights. You can use different colors or do everything in red as you like. This is really a super easy way to customize a cord light for Valentine's Day or for a wedding. This is how the garland looks like, and look how cute it will turn. So it's very nice to decorate, or you can use it also as a table center. If you like these easy heart craft ideas, please like and follow for more.